Okay. Okay, so right here we have a platinum ring. Dear God, it's so heavy.
I like this.
So do you see all the scratches we've got? Look at this. So with this one wheel, with my felt wheel and my Jooltool compound, I'm gonna remove these scratches. Let me take a picture. Let me do it before and after. Yeah, okay, there you go. Okay, so watch this. And so I'm not even gonna use the Scotch-Brite. I can if it's heavier, if it's heavier, but I don't want to because watch what my compound will do. Let me get into that nook and cranny right there.
There's some pressure going on there.
I have to keep consistent pressure.
Right.
Because it's just a flat wheel. I don't want to round over her edges.
Right.
There you go. And right now, we have that
like
finished.
That's it?
That's impressive punch-up.
Just on platinum alone, like I don't have to go through many steps because platinum, you definitely have to go through a few steps. I want to make sure. And it's not removing like material, like all her design, her engraving is all there. So, and it's not an oily compound, it's dry. It gives you that pretty high shine immediately. So you have that already. See that? I'll keep going. Did you see that? Because to do platinum, you either have to really, like if it's really beaten up with scratches, you have to sand those scratches down or use a very heavy compound to take those down. And then you gotta go through, get it going the ultrasonic, let's talk straight. Then clean up all that grease and that crap. Then go to another grade and polish your platinum. But other than that, I didn't even do anything to remove any scratches. My compound and my felt wheel took care of all of it. Yes, if it's really bad, just to save time, I'll just touch it up real quick on like a bad nick or something, if you will. And you can keep going. But let's just take a little inventory of what we just did. Little gander and see what we did. Here, just for the yeah. So like look right here. Where are you? So just to do like a quick little video.
Nice.
Like that was it. That's all I did was use my Jooltool compound and my felt wheel that looks just like this, pretty much. Okay, and then you can keep going on.
Yeah, you can't leave it half finished.
I can't leave it half finished. So it looks really pretty. Okay, and then look, I can avoid touching her diamonds and just go right in here. You know, honestly, what are you gonna do? Let's talk straight. To polish this, you're gonna take a buff, you're gonna take aggressive compounds and use this. You're gonna use this.
That's the old way, right?
Right, but you'd round over all of her nice little shank designs and all in here. But whereas I'm doing is I'm being very detail oriented and skimming right over her stones and not even touching them. And there we go. So, are you watching how I'm doing it? I'm just holding it. I'm not even looking. I'm looking at you. But I'm just holding it and going rocking back and forth. That's all. There's no... That's what the manufacturers yesterday from David Yurman's people, they like that. They didn't have to have the skilled people. I told them, if anything, don't bring your skilled people working on this. This is a complete different system. It's not your typical polishing machine.
It's just like using
yeah, but this one, like, but a flat lap, you gotta go like this.
Yeah.
And you have to be skilled. This, there's no skill. There's no skill. La 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 la. I took you at dinner yesterday. That's what I did. La 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 la. I'm telling you. Look, I can do the side, and I just hold it and zhuzh it. You don't have to do none of that. And it's very easy. Do you see? I'm just holding it there. And then you drop it. Oh, you're back. And then let's just continue. I'm just talking. I should be moving along. I got work to do here. And now I'm gonna actually go around her bezel just a little because she nicked it. So it feels good. And so I am actually gonna do her bezel. Watch the detail on this. So her little nicks around the bezel. Do you guys see that? You should actually take a picture. Yeah, so watch how I'll follow through with it. So I'm not like using no, like, you know, rubber wheels or anything to smooth that over. No buffs to ruin her. And look at that. Isn't that nice? Just touch that edge. Oh yeah, this is it. So, you know, so it is polishing, but it's not the same process of a polishing machine because you can't do any of this. It's kind of, yeah, it's kind of like a cross between what you would do on a bench with a Fordham and what you would want to do on your polishing machine, but you can't because you're limited. Okay, there we go. And I think we're done. And now after this, you can, let me polish right here. You can hit it with a light buff just to kind of zhuzh it all around. Let me actually do her round. Forget about those. Dear Lord, it's a pretty ring. You have such a pretty ring. And that's it. Yeah, sometimes I like to use, watch this, the brushes, hold on. The brushes to kind of get into the nooks and crannies. Unfortunately, these brushes won't do much for platinum, but if this was like, let's say, a white gold piece,
Right.
this sucker will get into like the nooks and crannies. Oh wait, what happened to this? No, someone cut my wheel. Oh, this is what happens when I'm not here. Did you just see that? They put it on backwards and cut it. Look at it. Did you see it? Okay, so what I do is I just get into like areas.
Yeah, looks like
And
there's a car wash.
Yeah, car wash. Oh, that's good. Yeah, the car wash. At the car wash, baby.
Wow, Jace, you got a brand new ring.
Listen, it's not rocket science, okay? I'm having fun. When's the last time you said you're having fun polishing a platinum ring? Okay.
Never.
Right? No kidding, huh? Okay, so there we go. So let's take inventory. Look at what we have here. Look at how the light just follows the bezel.
All right, let me see the ring that I bought here.
Hold on. I'm gonna show it off the sides. And here, let's just do this.
Certainly easier.
Yeah, and you know what's funny is it's fairly clean. Really, I don't have chunks of compound everywhere. The only thing is I want to actually just use some of my diamond cleaner just to kind of get some of the fog from underneath her diamond, and you'll be good as new. There you go. Here you go, sir, who bought that beautiful diamond ring, platinum. So that was platinum. So he's inspecting it, but we're live here from JCK, and my friend over here, that's her ring. And so if you're watching this video and you have platinum and you don't know how to polish it, I know how you're laughing at everything.